Welcome guys, I'm out with the Fast Boys today, doing my first group ride.
I feel like Fast Lane D right now, this is crazy. Alright, there we go.
Oh, GBX on this motherfucker.
Oh, there's a f***ing guy down. Oh, the car pulled off. Oh, this is who I'm riding with today, boys. On with the Go Fast, boys. It's one of the cleanest CBR 600RRs I've ever seen in my life. I don't really see too many of them in the UK. But out here, they love them. Anyway, let's go chat to them. Just had a quick chat with the guys, the best I can. There we go, this is the guy with the flow yellow. This is the guy, oh, hey, qual moto? Suzuki. Yeah, so he's got the Suzuki. Other mate, he's on there. I don't know what this is, a CBR 500 maybe? Right, mate, he wants me to ride his bike. Let's let's have a go. I ain't been on a super in so long, guys. Oh my days, this is so weird. Here we go, guys. I ain't been on super in long. Woo! That picks up speed quick. Oh my days, this is mental. I thought my bike was bad. This has made me feel better. How many pop and bangs do you want? Yes. What the f? Literally, if this was a bit more comfortable, like if I got a 636, I would just raise the clip-ons and I'd maybe lower the pegs a little or get adjustable rear sets. Let me just do some enduro to get onto the road. See that bump? Mental. So soft, I reckon I could get used to it, but it's so weird, it's like so spongy. Alright, didn't need a coffee today then. Cool. Jesus Christ. Alright, yeah, that bike's absolutely mental, guys. Loco. Agora no precisa café. He wants me to film him flying down here. He's gonna get a quick Instagram reel. This guy's serious on a bike as well. I just don't think he's learned too much on that one. But if you put him on a 300, 400, Jesus Christ. He'll hand drag, double hand drag, with his nan on the back here, and I'm not even joking. This is crazy though. I'm glad I can bring you lot to experience this with me. You lot from the UK, you lot are gonna know. You don't really. This is crazy. Don't get experience this. There's so many people over here. I thought I was just coming to meet him and like a couple friends. It looks like we got a flipping group ride going on. I haven't even, this is my first group ride. I've never been on a group, actually no, I've done a couple in the UK, but it was slow speed. I haven't done any sport bike group rides, so. Welcome guys, I'm out with the Fast Boys today, doing my first group ride. Look at the lineup now guys, holy shit. guys, just looking at all of this lot. We're all going to this event. I've never experienced a group ride like this before. I'll probably be in the back, chilling, plodding around. I'm pretty gassed for this. Stay tuned for the video, like, comment, subscribe. Let's go, I'll see you on the bike. There's just a guy chatting to me for long. Everyone's like, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Mandar pra mim? É. Depois. Muito conteúdo hoje. Muito conteúdo hoje. Precisa uma foto junto. Precisa uma foto junto. Depois. Oh, look at that 636 right there. I've never been with so many go fast boys in my life. Oh, mil deals. I feel like fast lane D right now. This is crazy. Shout out to the fast boys. This is mad. I'm so happy I got my exhaust. He's been doing burnouts. He's bunny hopping that thing. Hey, there we go. Yay! What's going on? Oh, here we go. Karma, karma. We got the local galenas with us. Oh my days. Wish me luck, guys. Make it in one piece. Whose bike is that? I don't know if that's mine or his or everyone else's. Everyone got pop and bang maps on their bike. All of a sudden, I don't feel so paranoid about how asbo my bike is right now. God, nice ZX10. This guy's been trying to sneak past me for long. He's thinking this slow MT-07. Got an MT-07, amigo. Oh shit. Wheelies? Oh no. Okay. Question asked. This guy on the MT, he sat up like it's another day in the office. Ah, shit. This is already too fast for me. I'm saying it's too fast for me. Mate's on the back wheel going at the same speed. Jesus Christ, amigo. Oh my days, the guy is dragging his elbow and we haven't even started. What did I just see? Oh god, this is Brazil, guys. It's not just straight lines and highways out here, apparently. I'll see you lot at the event. Right, I've got some slower friends. These are the kind of people I like to ride with. Yes, right, catch up now. Well, they love their CBR 600 RRs out here, don't they? How's this hat staying on there? What is that? R6. That's nice to see. I ain't seen one of them in a while. going on right now? Is there speed cameras or what? Oh, there's a f***ing guy down already. Oh, the car pulled out. I don't speak the language, so I'm just going to do more harm than good over there. Wow. First group ride. It looks alright. I'll try to find out what happened, guys, but I don't know enough of the language to deal with that. Alright guys, looks like we're going to be here for a while. So yeah, first group ride and someone's crashed, man. You always see this online and you see how dangerous these group rides look, and this is the problem, especially when it's on some narrow streets, there's busy traffic, but no one even looked like it was going fast. Past that hill, it just looked like he might have been clipped while he was filtering. He's bleeding from his hand, but he's chilling. He seems alright. Calmed down a bit now, but he's definitely injured. Like, he can't stand up. Guys, reminder, be careful out there. Don't try to keep up with no one. Carry this. Don't want to go stick a camera in his face because that'd be pretty rude, but oh, guys, crazy. Literally 10 minutes we've been riding. Be careful out there, guys. I'll see you back on the bike. Shit, boy, she's in a state. I'm gonna blur her face. I don't want to put that online. This is a very confusing situation for me. I don't know what the f to do with myself. We're in Farroupilha though, rapaziada. Guys, ain't been here in a long time. Been here once before. On the way to Bento Gonçalves. E aí, tudo bem? Tudo bom ou... Mais ou menos. Carro boom or motor boom? O carro trocou a... Oh, guy come over and said, is this the bike that got hit? I was like, nah, that one there. The one with half the front end missing. Just found out from him what happened, because he was right next to it. The car swerved out and then immediately swerved back into the lane. So they went to pass, and the woman swerved, like she's gone out, like she's gone to change lane. And then for some reason, last minute has just changed her mind. So the guy's gone to pass, thinking that she's gonna go over to her lane and stay in that lane that she's just changed to, and then she immediately swerved back across. See? No ting hada, lad, nah? No ting hada. Ting. Oh, okay. Okay. Right, we'll get out of it because the PRF are on the way, and you don't want nothing to do with them. I was wondering why does everyone move their bikes all the way over there? Because everyone's got exhausts, got plate eliminators, got no mirrors. Like, comment, subscribe, guys, if you're enjoying the video so far. Not off to a good start, but at least matey's kind of alright. He's chilling in the back of the ambulance. I didn't want to go stick a camera in his face, as you probably understand why. Plus, I already know these guys. These guys invited me out. This guy just come over to me out of everyone in the group, looked directly at me and started speaking to me. I have not... I was thinking, please don't ask me, you look like you're gonna ask me. And then he's come over and asked me and tried handing me the piece of paper. I pointed at him. I didn't even say a word. I'm the one here that looks English, sounds English, looks like they have no idea what's going on. And he asked me. I think it's details about the bike getting recovered. Going back over to the bikes. Oh my Dios.
Hold you.
Cuidado, amigo. You follow this guy. This guy walks that the cars need to get out of the way of him. And then does that. Please don't ask me any questions. God, that's a 2019 to 23, isn't it? Fresh. Right, police are going. None of us got in trouble. They really don't like aftermarket exhausts, no mirrors, and tail tidies, flip plates, everything. The bike laws are pretty strict out here. Rescue trucks arrived. Tow truck, I'll tell you, this is one of their friends. Mate, he's come to save the day and get us all back on the road. Alright, she's on the truck. She's on the trailer. Get strapped down and then get back on the road. I don't know what we're doing. I'll follow this guy. I'm pretty sure everyone said, the event, let's go back to Kerr. Forgot Limousin. Sounded like Kerr. Back to Caxias. Cuidado! Cuidado! Right, careful of any cars swerving between lanes. What they have out here is they have a switch. I'm pretty sure his bike has it. It might do, he spoke about it. And I know Augusto's bike had it as well. It's like a remap button. You choose the map and you get swapped to your Papa Bang map or you get swapped to your normal one. Oh my days, he flew that straight up. Look, I thought he was gone. He brought that straight up. That's crazy. This time we're taking a bit of a chilled one on the way back, which I'm happy about. Oh shit! Here he is. Look at that bike, guys. So many traffic, so much traffic. Yeah, he was waving at me, mate. Is that my bike? Right, back where we started, guys. We made it back in one piece. We've got about 10 minutes down the road. A full vlog out of just popping down the road for 10 minutes. Eu vou pra casa.
Valeu.
Valeu. Valeu. Hey, eu falo com você amanhã.
Não, fechou.
Yeah?
Vai.
Valeu. God, look at this Africa twin, guys. Oh, yo, there's another crash. These guys must drive around with their eyes shut.
Não, é só tu que pipoca.
I have no idea what he said.
Tá louco.
Ah.
Pô, é o mesmo cara que o meu, cara.
Ah?
É o mesmo que o meu.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what he says still. Good, son, good! Knew he was gonna do that. Yes! Brazil knows how to deliver pizzas properly. I think I just said the same word twice. How to deliver pizzas properly.